The Woodlanders is our film here on TF1 CSN tomorrow night at 9. Next up here on TF1 CSN, a double bill of Malcom in the Middle.
What's the problem, friend?
Nana's watching action films. I know something a little more interesting.
Action! Gangster films! Yes, exactly.
Fake Plus.
You can find the films you want to watch and then watch them straight away. Listen to this famous person.
Hey, Noah Lanning here. Watch thousands of movies and TV shows and live sports all in one place, only on Fake Plus. Happy viewing!
I did that. That happened.
Mix powders with scents to create amazing bath-bombs. They smell so good. Watch the fizz. Wow, Soap Bomb aroma from Canal Toys.
Are you ready for big flavor, big slices, 24 inches of pure heaven? Every fat pizza is handmade fresh to order, just the way you like it. Every time. The Fat Pizza. We don't do deals, just great prices.
Ouders en kinderen opgelet. Kijkwijzer bestaat 20 jaar en dat vieren we. We zijn overal in beeld en informeren jong en oud met veel plezier. Zo bepaal je zelf of je gaat kijken of toch nog even wacht. Kijkwijzer. 20 jaar goed bekeken.
They take care of, play with. Whoa!
You don't know how to make a promo, but here comes the Advert Factory. Stop using the promo for Disney Junior USA. They're good advert the Advert Factory. We all use the Advert Factory. You can use the adverts for free without the promos. Call 0800 703 7334. That's 0800 703 734. The Advert Factory. Can you watch the advert? Copyright 2022 TAF Inc. All rights reserved.
Chicken Royale Swiss Deluxe, please.
Got the urge for a Chicken Royale Swiss Deluxe from Burger King with fresh lettuce, tomato, and Swiss cheese for only $1.99? Got the urge? Get to Burger King.
Experience it all over again as Will Smith gets his life flip turned upside down. Bel Air, Sundays at 10, exclusive to Trouble.
This is Fake Ass Music 2, the loudest channel on TV.
Shocking, man.
Showcasing the best of rock, metal, indie, punk, alternative, and much more. So forget the mainstream trash you get on other music channels, and tune in to Fake Ass Music 2, keeping it loud on channel 155.